Certainly. Here's a detailed essay with facts and cost breakdown for your YouTube video titled, Unlock Your Dream, Complete Guide to Luxembourg Immigration Process in Depth, Costs and Path to Luxembourg Citizenship in 2024. This content will help your viewer understand the intricacies of immigrating to Luxembourg and achieving citizenship. Unlock Your Dream, Complete Guide to Luxembourg Immigration Process in Depth, Costs and Path to Luxembourg Citizenship in 2024. Luxembourg, nestled in the heart of Europe, is renowned for its high quality of life, robust economy, and picturesque landscapes. For many, the prospect of moving to this small but vibrant country is a dream come true. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the in-depth immigration process, associated costs, and the pathway to Luxembourg citizenship in 2024. 1. Understanding Luxembourg's immigration process. Luxembourg offers various immigration pathways depending on your reason for moving, including work, study, or family reunification. Here's a breakdown of the main categories. 1.1. Work visas. Luxembourg is a thriving hub for finance, technology, and international institutions. To work in Luxembourg, you'll need a work visa, which typically falls into one of the following categories. 1. EU Blue Card. For highly skilled non-EU workers with a job offer that meets specific salary thresholds. 2. Single Permit, for non-EU nationals allowing both work and residence in Luxembourg. Eligibility requirements. 1. Valid job offer or employment contract. 2. Proof of qualifications and experience. 3. Adequate salary to meet minimum income requirements. 1.2. Student visas. Luxembourg attracts international students with its high-standard education system. If you plan to study in Luxembourg, you'll need a student visa. Eligibility requirements. 1. Acceptance letter from a recognized Luxembourg institution. 2. Proof of sufficient financial means to support yourself. 3. Health insurance coverage. 1.3. Family reunification. If you have family members who are Luxembourg residents, you may be eligible for family reunification. Eligibility requirements. 1. Proof of family relationship. 2. Adequate housing and financial stability. 3. Valid residence status of the sponsor. 2. Cost breakdown. Understanding the costs involved in the immigration process is crucial for proper planning. Here's a detailed breakdown. 2.1. Visa application fees. 1. Work visa. Approximately €80 to €300, depending on the type and processing speed. 2. Student visa. Around €50 to €100. 3. Family reunification visa. Typically €80 to €150. 2.2. Health insurance. Health insurance is mandatory for all immigrants. The cost varies based on the coverage and provider but generally ranges from €50 to €150 per month. 2.3. Legal and administrative fees. 1. Translation and notarization of documents, €100 to €300. 2. Legal assistance. If you choose to consult an immigration lawyer, expect to pay between €150 and €500 per hour. 2.4. Living expenses. 1. Accommodation. Rent in Luxembourg can be high, with monthly costs ranging from €1,000 to €2,500 for a one-bedroom apartment. 2. Utilities and internet. Approximately €100 to €200 per month. 3. Monthly budget. Around €1,500 to €2,500 for a single person, covering groceries, transportation, and other essentials. 3. Path to Luxembourg citizenship. Becoming a Luxembourg citizen involves several stages and requirements. Here's an overview of the naturalization process. 3.1. Residency requirements. To apply for citizenship, you must have been a legal resident of Luxembourg for at least 7 years. This period can be reduced if you have completed a specific integration program or have special circumstances. 3.2. Language and integration. Proficiency in Luxembourgish is required. You may need to demonstrate your language skills through an exam. Additionally, showing integration into Luxembourg society through participation in civic life and cultural activities is essential. 3.3. Application process. 1. Submit application. Fill out and submit your citizenship application to the Ministry of Justice. 2. Fees. The application fee is around €50 to €200. 3. Documents required. Proof of residency, language proficiency, integration efforts, and a clean criminal record. Conclusion. Immigrating to Luxembourg and eventually achieving citizenship is a structured process that requires careful planning and understanding of the associated costs. By following the guidelines and preparing adequately, you can make your dream of living in Luxembourg a reality. For more details, tips, and the latest updates, make sure to watch our full video guide. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe, like and comment.